In this video, I'll show you how to set up an LG TV for the first time. Step 1. Unbox and position the TV. Carefully remove the TV and accessories from the box. Place the TV on a flat surface or TV stand. Avoid placing the TV in direct sunlight or near heat sources. Step 2. Connect power and devices. Plug the TV's power cord into an electrical outlet. Connect external devices like a cable box, gaming console, or soundbar to the appropriate HDMI ports. Step 3. Turn on and configure settings. Use the remote to power on the TV. Follow the on-screen setup wizard to select your language, region, and time zone. Agree to the terms and conditions to enable smart features. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, please subscribe. If you have any more questions, you can leave them in the comments down below.